And for the latest on the COVID-19 situation, we are now connected with our own reporter, Aris Satya, to tell us more on the situation of COVID-19 here in West Java. Aris, so what is the update on the rising cases of Omicron?
Yeah, okay. So, Wibi, as of February the 15th, Indonesia has seen a record of 57,049 daily COVID-19 cases. And West Java recorded the highest number of daily cases with 14,058 cases, making the province the only one to have more than 10,000 new cases. And DKI Jakarta ranked second with 9,482 new daily COVID-19 cases. Meanwhile, East Java is in third with 7,528 cases, followed by Banten with 6,509, and then Central Java with 3,514 cases. And the National COVID-19 Task Force reported that today's figure is the highest since March 2020, when the first case were reported. As for active cases or people receiving treatment, the number has risen by 30,168, while suspected cases have reached 35,594 people. In general, the positivity rate has reached 46.43%, way above the WHO standard of 5%. Furthermore, the latest death toll has shown 134 new deaths, bringing the total to more than 145,000 people, or 145,455 people to be exact. This number is a new record because it is higher than the peak of the Delta in July 2021. Besides, the recovery rate is steadily rising. Here, where an additional 26,747 people recoveries, bring the total to 4,349,848. Despite all this, the Indonesian government continued to hold control over the situation. And then preventive measure and activity restriction are already in place. So let's join together and comply with the safety protocols as a combined effort to suppress the case number, Wibi.
All right, thank you very much, Aris. And one more question. How about the bed occupancy rate in hospitals amid this escalating number of cases? Is it still in the controllable numbers?
Yes, so the COVID-19 task force has reported that the bed occupancy rate at hospitals is creeping up thanks to the recent Omicron outbreak. COVID-19 task force spokesperson Wiku Adhisa Smito said the national bed occupancy rate has now reached 32.58%. But even though the percentage is still below the WHO standard of 60%, the task force continues to urge compliance to health rules among the public. This is, of course, to avoid the collapse of the healthcare system, similar to the 2021's mid-year spike, and then hospital bed availability guaranteed by the government. And then the government also guarantees the availability of beds, which could include bed conversion effort if cases continue to soar, as done in several provinces. Then the task force has further stated that although the number of patients who need to be treated at hospitals is not alarmingly high, the public should remain vigilant over the COVID-19 transmission because hospitals still have their limitation. Wibi.
All right, thank you very much, Aris, for your report. Stay safe and stay healthy.